Hi everyone, it's Genene here with a yogic dynamic stretching sequence, which means using one breath per movement to help increase the flexibility in your shoulders by using the floor. Let's get started. Take a comfortable cross-legged position and we'll just do some arm circles to get warmed up. So on an inhale, draw the shoulders back, up, draw a nice big circle forwards and down on an exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Now draw the same circle, but a lot smaller, like the size of a quarter. Inhale and exhale. So you're going nice and slow and around, really feeling your way. Both your right and your left shoulder. How do they feel? See how round you can make these on the exhale and inhale. One more. Exhale. Let's go the other direction. So big circles forward and up on an inhale and down and back on an exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now draw the same circle, but a lot smaller, like the size of a quarter. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and then one more here. And exhale. Bring your arms out in front of you for a rhomboid strengthener, set of diamond-shaped muscles in your shoulders. So ears and shoulders are away from each other. And bring your arms back energetically. Draw the shoulder blades on the back using those strong muscles. Inhale forward and exhale back. Keep going. And back. And back. And then do 3 more. So I will link the video. We did this in our Gomukhasana series. So if you want more instruction about how those muscles work, it's in there. Lower your arms. Let's come to lying on our backs. Lying supine. Arms by your side. So start with your palms facing towards your body. And then inhale your arms out to a T. Exhale, arms back down by your side. Spine stays in neutral the whole time. Inhale, up to a T. Exhale, down. Full breath. Inhale and exhale. So you're forming a upside down V here. And then up to a T. Letters of the alphabet. This one is going to be different. So from the V, you're going to go to a T, and then bend your arms at the elbows for like a scarecrow, and then straighten the arms into the T, go down to the V, and then up to the T. And so this is sort of like a W, T, V, upside down. Inhale up, and exhale down. So feel the flow. and then all the way down. This time, come up, bend your arms into the W, and then from here, go into a V, which means your palms are going to come towards each other as you straighten your arms overhead and out to the side, and then back to the W. So keep going, inhaling, stretching up, exhaling, coming back to that W, but you're going to notice that now you got to work harder maybe to keep your spine in neutral. Make sure that your ribs aren't just flaring as soon as you get your arms overhead. You do not want to do this. You want to pull those low ribs in and down as you bring the arms out to the V and back. And one more. Now go out to the V, palms face towards each other. So your arms, upper arms may be on the ground, off the ground. It depends on your flexibility. From here, draw your arms in towards each other by your ears, whatever degree works for you without your spine pulling off the floor and getting yourself all pained. Bring yourself back to the V. So really notice if this is where you're at, stay here and just breathe. Or inhale, arms go closer together. Exhale, bring them back. So notice your neck muscles, they're staying soft. Up and back. Notice your jaw. The jaw is not helping. It's relaxed. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Again. One more. Now, bring your arms down by your sides. And we're going to keep our arms bent for this one. We're going to go arms all the way overhead on the floor, but keep your arms bent. So bring your arms out into the T, let your arms bend into that W. Keep them bent as you maybe touch fingertips overhead, something like that. And then bring the arms on an exhale down by your sides. So notice the work involved in keeping your spine in neutral and let the arms flow. Exhale down. Have fun with it. You're making little angels on the floor. Option to stay with the arms bent if that was your edge. If it wasn't, then keep your arms straight and do a full big old snow angel and feel how the hands move, right? They start towards the body and then the pinky fingers come up towards the sky to bring the palms towards each other overhead. And maybe they don't touch, maybe they do. Exhale all the way down. Palms start to turn open right at that T point, open towards the head. Inhale. And then exhale. And then they start turning downward in towards the body again. Notice how you feel now compared to the beginning of practice. How are your shoulders? Let us know in the comments down below. And then let's bend our knees, roll onto your right side as you press yourself up to sitting. Remember to press that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you like this video, please click the like button and let us know in the comments. That really helps me know that I'm doing a good job and you want more content like this. Thanks for joining me. Namaste.